Assalamu alaikum. Viewers, I am Miguel Qureshi. Today, our topic is, what do Ahmadiyya Qadiani Jamaat think of Muslims worldwide? Viewers, it has been observed many a time that the Ahmadiyya Qadiani Jamaat keeps propagating negatively in the world about Pakistan, that the constitutional amendment of 1974 made by the National Assembly of Pakistan, in which Ahmadiyya Jamaat means Qadianis were declared as non-Muslims, and they deemed the decision to be wrong. Moreover, they say that no person, group, or government has any right to declare any person or group as non-Muslims due to their heretical beliefs. Whereas, in reality, the belief and conduct of Ahmadiyya Qadiani Jamaat is contradictory to their own point of view. In today's program, we will allude with the references from the books of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, founder of Ahmadiyya Qadiani Jamaat, and their other leaders, in which they have declared all the Muslim infidels, non-believers, and out of the bound of Islam, who have not accepted Mirza Ghulam Qadiani as a prophet. Hence, Mirza Ghulam Qadiani wrote, Allah has revealed to me that one who has been aware of my message and has not accepted me is not a Muslim and is accountable before Allah. Tazkirah, page 519. Dear fellows, all those Muslims who opposed Mirza Ghulam Qadiani in his lifetime and did not accept his false claims of prophethood, he writes about them. Those who are my opposers are named as Christians, Jews, and idolaters. Ruhani Khazain, volume 18, page 382. Similarly, he writes about people in his opposition. I was given the glad tidings that those who show enmity and opposition after recognizing you are all hell dwellers. Tazkirah, page 130. Viewers, not only Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, but his sons also declared those who did not accept his false prophethood as non-Muslims, infidels, and deemed them out of the bound of Islam. The son of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani and the second leader of Ahmadiyya Qadiani Jamaat, Mirza Bashiruddin Mahmud, writes in his book, Anwarul Ulum, volume 6, page 110. All the Muslims who have not taken the oath of allegiance with Hazrat Masih Ma'ud, even they have not heard the name of Hazrat Masih Ma'ud, are infidels and not in the fold of Islam. Mirza Ghulam Qadiani's other son, Bashir Ahmad M.A., writes on the 110th page of his book, Kalimatul Fasl, every man who believes in Musa alayhi salam but does not believe in Isa alayhi salam, or believes in Isa alayhi salam but does not believe in Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, or believes in Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam but does not believe in Masih Ma'ud, he is not only an infidel but a confirmed infidel and is out of the circle of Islam. Viewers, in the writings and beliefs of Qadianis, it is ordained to boycott the marriages and funerals of Muslims, and it is emphasized by the Ahmadiyya Jamaat to stop all the dealings with Muslims, even they aren't allowed to pray at a funeral of an innocent child of a Muslim. Mirza Bashiruddin Mahmud writes in his book, Anwar-e-Khilafat, page number 95 and 96, which means, it is not legal to pray the funeral prayer of non-Ahmadis, not even the funeral prayer of a non-Ahmadi innocent child. In the same book, he writes on page 93, it is our duty that we deem non-Ahmadis as non-Muslims and must not pray with them because they have renounced the Prophet of Allah. Dear viewers, these Qadiani beliefs are not only in the books, but this Jamaat strongly practices these beliefs. As an example of this is the first Foreign Minister of Pakistan, Mr. Zafarullah Qadiani, who believed that the founder of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, was a non-Muslim and did not attend his funeral prayer. And he stood with the representatives of the non-Muslim countries during the funeral prayer. It has been observed many a time that simple and naive Muslims fall prey to the false propaganda of Qadianis because of being unaware of their wild beliefs. Qadianis defraud the Muslims by saying that we do not consider non-Ahmadis as non-Muslims or infidels who do not accept Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani as a prophet. But that is totally untrue. because their books, beliefs, and ideology declares the non-Ahmadis as non-Muslims. At the end of this program, I appeal to all of you to recognize the Ahmadiyya cult and seek knowledge about Aqidah Khatame Nabuwat so that you can safeguard your Iman and Iman of your future generations. May Allah protect Muslims from the malice of Ahmadiyya cult. Ameen.